Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have a Google account and workspace permissions. Make sure camera and mic are allowed. Open Google Calendar to schedule or open Google Meet to start an instant room. Once in Calendar, click Create, add a title and guests, and choose Add Google Meet Conferencing. This generates a meeting link. Make sure to select correct time zone and video options before moving on, because these affect participant links and access immediately. Now you configure the middle steps that determine how the room runs. You set date, time, and recurrence so attendees get correct invites. Once done, manage guest permissions to control who can join directly and who needs to ask to join. Add a meeting agenda and attach documents so everyone arrives prepared. If you expect external participants, explicitly allow their domain or add them as guests to prevent access issues. Make sure to save changes so the meet link updates. Finally, send the invite and start the room early to run a quick tech check. You confirm layout, captions, and recording settings before guests arrive. During the meeting, manage participants from the host controls and move presenters into Spotlight as needed. If something goes wrong, try refreshing the Meet tab, verify camera/mic permissions in browser settings, and check your firewall or network. If participants still can't join, copy and resend the Meet link and re-invite them directly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.